Hey folks, welcome to another English lesson. This one will be about nature and the environment. What do you see in these pictures? So we can see a family riding bikes. They're having a good time, probably at a park. There are many leaves on the grass. What about this picture here? What do you see? Try to describe. So, for example, we see a woman on the mountains looking at the view. And what do we call when we have many mountains like this? Mountain chains. What do we call this? A cliff. What about this picture? A waterfall. You probably knew this one, right? Now we have a short video and I want you to tell me what is this place? The ice is melting, right? They're showing it's melting. And what do we call this? It's a glacier. It's a glacier.
Those are parts of the glacier just exploding.
Glacier. And this one, it's in the form of a dolphin, of course, but what is this? It's an island. We don't pronounce the S. The S is silent, so island. Okay, and now, this is cute, right? A lizard. Lizard. This one, maybe you know this one as well. It's a snail. Snail. And this is a different one. It's the only mammal that lay eggs. And it's a platypus. Platypus. Another short video here. And tell me what animal is this?
Good. Want to do some of her novel behaviors because she finds them reinforcing. Okay.
What animal is this? Okay, it's an otter. Otter. These ones, they are lazy and they are sloths. So one sloth, two sloths, sloth. Repeat, people. Sloth. Now I have a question, because there was this survey and here we see the answers people gave, but I want you to think about what do you think? What environmental issue concerns you the most? People answered that it was climate change, most people. 35% answered climate change. Then we also have ocean trash, deforestation and poor land management, overpopulation, nuclear accidents and weapons, and other. Here we have some other environmental problems. Overfishing, destruction of the rainforest, which would be the same as deforestation that we saw, destruction of the ozone layer that protects our planet, battery farming, exploitation of food resources, and global warming, and also throwaway society, which means that nowadays our society uses things and then throws away because things are not meant to last long now. So we use and we throw away a lot of plastic, a lot of single-use products. So a throwaway society. And endangered species are species that are likely to disappear because of these problems. Usually, these environmental problems, they can't survive and they're going to disappear. They won't exist anymore. They are endangered. Did you know the US consumes 30% of the world resources, yet has only 5% of the world's population? So think about it, like 5% of the world's population, but 30% of the world's resources. And approximately 40% of lakes in America are too polluted for swimming, fishing, or aquatic life. And I was surprised by this number. 27,000 trees are cut down each day so we can have toilet paper. 27,000. And every year 80 trillion aluminum cans are used, although they can be recycled indefinitely, so forever. Only about half of aluminum cans are actually recycled. These are aluminum cans. And Americans toss 25 trillion styrofoam cups each year. Styrofoam is the most unfriendly packaging product to the environment today, taking more than 1 million years to decompose. So let's try to use less styrofoam, right? And here it's a joke. So the word elephant has 8 letters, but eventually has 10. Why? Because the word eventually has 10 letters. It's silly, I know. And what we call these dogs that live on the streets, don't have owners, they are stray dogs. And would you pay more for an environmentally friendly product? This is an example of an environmentally friendly product. It's a banana ketchup. They use the bananas that would be wasted. They used to make this ketchup. So I haven't tried it, but I would, and I think that sometimes if we can, we should try to buy environmentally friendly products. And do you use shared transportation? Another sustainable thing to do. It's like bike sharing, scooter sharing, or car sharing. Bike sharing I have used, but the other ones, no. I have only used Uber, that has an option where you share your ride with others, so it's kind of a carpool too, but I haven't used this Waze carpool. And what's the importance of bees, people? They are the world's most important pollinators of food crops. And where do they live? In beehives. What are the challenges of implementing solar energy? There are many challenges, but one of them is cloudy days, so it's inconsistent. And another one is the cost, because it's 5 to 11 times more expensive to produce electricity from the sun than it is from coal, hydro, or nuclear sources. So the cost is very high. What habits can we change to be more sustainable? So I will leave you with this question. We can use less plastic, less styrofoam, and think about it. What habits can we change to be more sustainable? So that was it for today, people. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Give us a like if you did like it. Subscribe to the channel if you want more English lessons like this one. And see you soon. Bye bye.